reviewed today the Lockheed Martin hybrid airship, which we call LMH-1.
This is a demonstrator, so it's really just to prove technology. But we validated all the technologies that are needed for our larger products, which are the actual cargo carrying versions. So the cargo carry version, 20 tons, the LMH-1, is about 3 times this size in every dimension. So it's the size of a football field, but 7 stories tall. This is the forward section where the passengers go. We can put as many as 19 passengers here. You see the envelope up above, and it gives you an idea of physical scale.
A hybrid airship is a combination of blimp, rotorcraft, and hovercraft. We're in the process of developing a full-scale vehicle that is primarily designed to service the remote cargo market. Oil and gas, mining, and other cargo needs in places that don't have roads. So where we really focus is no roads, no problem. Those are the areas where right now infrastructure to get cargo in and out is a very limiting factor. So we see it a lot in oil, gas, mining, extraction, but we also see a tremendous utility in humanitarian aid and disaster relief. So imagine in Haiti or in the tsunami regions the ability to come in with tremendous cargo capability without any infrastructure needed to support it.